Top stocks in news: HDFC Bank, Kotak, SBI, Federal Bank, Bajaj Finance and Shriram Finance lead Axis Direct's list. The brokerage has maintained a good rating on all 7 counters, citing improving credit growth trends, easing asset quality stress, margin stability and strong execution visibility across institutions. Axis Direct has released its latest set of top conviction ideas from the banking and financial services (BFSI) space, highlighting 7 key stocks: HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, State Bank of India, Federal Bank, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, Bajaj Finance and Shriram Finance. 1. HDFC Bank, positioned for growth acceleration. Axis expects HDFC Bank to resume growth at par with the system in FY26, followed by a further pickup in FY27, as the lender reduces its loan-to-deposit ratio below 100%. The bank is focusing on granular retail deposits and CASA mobilization, supported by its branch network. Net interest margins, NIMs, which contracted in Q2 due to sharper yield decline, are expected to improve gradually with the repricing of term deposits and softening savings rates. 2. Kotak Mahindra Bank, credit costs to ease, NIMs bottom out. Kotak Mahindra Bank's unsecured portfolio stress has stabilized, with credit costs expected to taper in H2. Slippages in the MFI book and pressure in credit cards and personal loans are easing, though retail CV stress remains elevated for a few more quarters. NIM improvement is likely from H2 driven by term deposit repricing and CRR cuts. Kotak is preparing to scale its unsecured portfolio, especially credit cards, and is targeting 17% credit growth CAGR over FY26-28. 3. State Bank of India, growth visibility strengthens. SBI's credit growth momentum remains strong across home loans, express credit, and corporate lending. A 7 lakh rupees crore sanction pipeline offers clear growth visibility, with half already approved and awaiting disbursement. Domestic NIMs expanded in Q2 supported by liability optimization. The bank aims to sustain its 1% ROE, aided by stable asset quality, disciplined pricing and operating cost control. SBI is also evaluating the listing of its mutual fund and general insurance subsidiaries. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.